But these two people will be recruiting from the skill talent pool, and what they will do, they will actually require a kind of this skill pool will be really wanted this Startup India and Innovation India. What actually the skill pool will do, they will be doing research infrastructure and collect more information, and they will be trained and recruit the smart people and provide technology here, provide incubation for that. So what will happen, this research institute will be divided into two. One is for the innovating growth company will be given technology support and training, and the research institute will also give for startup companies incubators. For example, if you go to the VIT, if you go to Satyabama University, any university you go, there will be an incubation center will be there. So if you go and approach with them, they will give you a small space without a rent, and you can work with them, and you get lot of ideas and database. Out of that, you can create a big company. From startup to innovative growth company is possible only when you have to connect with the research infrastructure, like the companies would always having a connection. So innovation is, if you have a good really innovation, what you can do with, you will have a total kind of network which you have, and you have to go along with investor network, along with the skill train talent pool. Then the innovative growth companies like Infosys, Wipro and big companies will directly contact you through research infrastructure. So this is all about the innovation ecosystem, because innovation, what ahead and how you have to connect with the startup economy to the growth economy. Fine. And this is very important because this for IT company. This is actually a small example for you how a project can be visibility, right? This is something, a small example, ICT, education and health science. Health science is a sector. When you talk about Samay Sanchar, digital virally enabled with wristwatch and cell phone for blind. For blind people, they will be having cell phone, and the wristwatch actually digital virally will be rich in there. Because when the cell phone, blind people will be carrying the wireless blindfold, that will be giving a notification in the watch itself. The digital watch will be there. So what will happen? The GPS tracking will also giving for them, the blind people, and they can also access through everything in a watch itself with the alarm facility. So this is the overall project. So you can see the primary innovator, who is actually somebody who is the primary innovator, Alit Patel, and where is the location, and you can have to contact him, and the website for whatever the website you have, and you talk about few things about your product and how this project is going to impact or the country or the that is very important. If you write this is a very small, your investor will be very happy to understand, and you have to create explain more about the project to say some effectiveness of the project, and that project will also have kind of innovation ecosystem to be understandably how this world will benefit at large digitally. Fine. And these are the websites which I can say you. For example, this is the references for you. I'm already done with my presentation, I think, because I have only 2 more slides. Please note it down. These are the websites. You can go for the get a help from Department of Science and Technology DST, and Department of Biotechnology DBT, and Department of Science Scientific and Research Institute DSR, and we also talk about Council of Scientific CSIR. And students, please talk to your faculty members. They will really helping you in kind of getting support project with CSIR. CSIR and DSIR is they really coming up with lot of projects and innovations. Are you have really good innovation, please talk to your faculty and create a white paper or create a proposal and submit that the same proposal to the CSIR, DSIR. They will release a fund for you to do the project, and you can also concentrate more on DST. That is what I am talking about, Department of Science and Technology. And you also have NESTIP. NESTIP actually, they will be having a board in Noida. NESTIP is also giving a funding up to 50 lakhs. They have about from 15 lakhs to 50 lakhs, 15 to 50 lakhs. Money also be disbursed as per your project, as per the viability of a project, how the project will be run for a long time or not. They will evaluate. And you also have Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center. Every colleges, every institute, they will be having a IECD also will be there. And the most importantly, we talked about SEP. SEP is something developed by NIT. IIT also they have. SEP is something called Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Park. This is available in Tiruchirappalli also we have. I think in Chennai also we have IIT opposite to Anna University. There is a one SEP is there. So you can go there and talk to them. They will also give you a proposal. And if you have a really good idea about technology, business incubators are available across the country. If you talk about many universities, they have TBI. And TIFAC is also very, very important. You can go for, they will do an assessment actually. TIFAC is really helping you to have an assessment before going for a project submission or your innovation. They will actually ask you to go for patent, getting patent and before going for a market. And SIDBI is a bank actually. SIDBI is actually Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI is also giving a loan. They will be giving you loans up to 2.5 crores to 3 crores, depends on the project and depends on the viability of the agriculture, which will also do that. And we have about National Innovation Foundation. Please, this is very, very important. Please note it down. National Innovation Foundation has been created by Government of India, and the Government of India is also looking of the internship to join with this National Innovation Foundation, where you can join. They will give you a stipend for you. Please do apply with that internship program. And you can also go innovation initiative, and you have called DSIR, and you also have TIDE. That is very, very important. Technology incubation and development of entrepreneurs. Whoever entrepreneur have a great idea of innovation to go for open up innovation, or you would like to go for a close up innovation, or you have any kind of an idea to be model, then please talk to TIDE. TIDE will really give you a lot of initiative where the students can also come up with new kind of incubation centers. And government is also introduced one called New Millennium Indian Technology Leadership Initiative, collaborating with CSIR. So that really helping for you to get it into. And the last red in color, why I am mentioning in the red color, because that is funding database. If you have a really funders, if you need a finding a funders, please go to the website called www.venturecalcenter.com.in/funding. That website, if you go there, you will have a funders database. So according, you can go for it, and if you want funding, you can apply with them. They will look at the project feasibility. If it is yes, then they will release a fund. Not only in government, you will also have the private people also there. Venture center also, there are a lot of private people who really wanted to funding for your project, and that will elevate to the next level of the project, which really helping your innovation to go forward. And these are the references I made it for you is Nested, DST. You can also there. We also have one more thing called Small Business Innovation Research Initiative, sbiri.nic.in. That is on the government. So the government will also helping you. And last, but you can see that Biosense Technology Private Limited, www.biosense.in. That really that company also will be having an innovation fund. So please go through that website, and you can also understand how this kind of a website will really helpful for you. DITY is also one of the most important DITY.gov.in. DITY is also one of the most important government sector, which also really helping the entrepreneurs to move forward for the innovation into a model kind of a presentation will really helping for the people to get into. So that's all. That's it. Thank you so much for your time being listened to me and supporting me and encouraging me. Thank you so much. Thank you, Josephine Neela ma'am. And I done with 12:30. You mentioned me on a 12:30, so I have done it. If you have any questions, you put me forward. I will be answering to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of the students, I'm asking. Idea is enough to apply in projects, or the partially implementation is compulsory?
It's actually idea is also one of the project. Idea is actually the first step, because when you have a dreaming into, you have too many ideas will come. Please write it down, all the ideas, and that idea will help you to go for knowledge, innovation, information. Then it goes to the innovation. So idea is also be a part of the innovation.
But partial implementation is not compulsory, isn't
Correct.
it?
Partially.
Partial implementation is necessary, isn't it, sir?
Of course. Yeah. It's necessary.
Okay, then what about the entrepreneurship related projects? If the students are having a knowledge beyond that IT and other activities, if they are having other activities related idea, if they are having, how they have to apply? You have given that website science and
So give me a you give me a small example that would really help, because ideas are too many ideas. If you ask about 158 students are participating today, and all 158 students have double ideas, but
okay.
that idea has to be clearly specific. That's what I'm saying. Knowledge is there. When you're coming to the knowledge, you have to find out the specific knowledge, what actually they are addressed to the innovation. That's very important. So give me small example, I will guide you, like it would be better, because too many ideas, I cannot say that this website is really helping for you to get lot of information. No, but every idea has different website, different department, different people are there. So give me an idea, give me a simple example, then I will explain. One example. Give me one example. So any idea, you tell me any idea if you have, then I will guide you accordingly, which are the department and what they will do.
Okay, students, do you have any doubt regarding the entrepreneur and any projects, any idea do you have? You consult that resource person. Yes, IT students, do you have an idea?
Any idea, small idea is enough. I don't want you to release all the big ideas, because that will really normally the idea innovators will grab that idea and they will do it. But you can give small example. I can give you an idea how, in what way you can start and what way you can do. Anybody else? Or you wanted me to take up an idea, then I will explain. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I go with one idea and then I'll explain you how that idea become an innovative and how this become supporting for the no society? Is it
Always, sir.
okay?
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
what I will do, let me take it as okay. What I will do, I will take it as the most important society for health, right? Let me take it as a health. Health is very important. Let me important for the sector is health. Then I am finding out the food system. FSSAI, Food Securities Authority Association of India. Actually, the food department. Actually, what I am going to do is I am going to, everybody, we are having a chemical-based vegetables. We don't have organic vegetables, right? So what I can do and how I can make this India to have organic vegetables, and that's kind of a model I have to create. This is actually a big project, but idea was very simple. So what I can do was, every houses there will be one open space on the top of the house, on the bottom of the house. So on that house space, what every house can also put a seed, and they will develop a plant, and from the plant they can get the fruit and the vegetable, and they can eat. That will also one of the organic food, organic in system. So once that organic food they create, government or the government sector people or whoever they want, they can go to one by one and they can collect the organic fruit or vegetable and put it in the market. Whatever the price, the house will also get, the consumer will also get the price. Where we will also avoiding a kind of wholesalers or dealers. So what you have to do is you have to appoint some youngsters across the street, where all the street where we can give this organic planting can be done, that everybody can do that. They will give you everything at a minimum price, where you can put it in a distributor. There you will be getting lot of price. You can price demand it. So what you can across in country, if you do like Uber, Ola or something, everybody is doing. Like the concept is, this is my concept. So what I will do, I just put it, this concept into an idea. So how this idea can be generated? The idea as a full flowgram, algorithm. I have to create an algorithm or the flow chart mentioning that if this happened, yes. If this not happened, no. Yes, no. Like that, I have to create a one flow chart and give it to every district. That is called district industry center are there. So go to the district industry center. I'm explaining about the project. I'm saying that making India is so healthy. So I just wanted to create this product, and I want some one application where that application has to be created in software. The technology, what they will, everybody can go for this application. Whoever has their vegetables or brinjals are grown in their family, in their garden, so let them call up or giving. Immediately we come and we pay accordingly immediately for the price they are bargained. For that we will pay accordingly and get the food, vegetables. What will happen? People also will very happy to get the organic. Whoever need, they can. I will buy from the customers. I will buy sell it to the customer. Buying in a lower price than selling with the profitability. It means people also getting organic food. I've seen many houses are creating organic fruits or vegetables in there, and the seed of fruits and vegetables are getting ripe and rotten in the garden itself. Why that has to be allowed? So what can I do? I am asking that people to give it back. I will give it back to the society. The concept is give it to us, give it to me. I will give it to the society. Or the concept is give back to the society. The concept is very simple. Give back to the society. So why don't you can create this kind of process through the technology, where everybody through the mobile and the product being given through the logistic people, appoint some logistic people like Uber or Ola. There are a lot of drivers. Through them, if you can connect it, what will happen? These people will go and deliver to it, and the cash will be, there is no will be cash. So there are a lot of online banking. So that online banking, if you have it, the people will pay through mobile. Then immediately you can get the cash, and you can pay to the vegetable vendor, and accordingly if you can go for this kind of circle, what will happen? This is a real kind of model. Why not this product can be an innovative product? So then what will happen? That DIC will be approved this project, and this project will go to my innovation center, National Innovation Funding. So what I will go there and talk to them, DST, Department of Science and Technology. I am talking about this project, and the project is very low, but through the technology I am diffusing the project and I am running this project. So you can set up an office in Chennai, you can access across Chennai, or not only Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So whoever have a vegetable, they will call you and they will create an organic vegetable, check and release the product to the society. Society also benefit, and you will also benefit. The give back to the society will really works out, and everybody will have a chemical-less, non-chemical vegetables will be given from the customers itself. So we don't depend with the government to give you the chemical-based vegetable. So it will be helping for the people to get into healthy to health. So more healthy people will be there. The Tamil Nadu will always say back, and we fight any kind of diseases across the country. Anything is happening in future. So how do you think this project is viable or not? Many of them can say not viable. You can also give me a justification. I'll also change accordingly. Hello. Hola, busy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, Josephine ma'am. You raise a question. Please.
It's very good project, sir. That feedback I want to give. That's because of that only I have raised my hand. Student side, if any doubt, do you have any doubt? Yes. Yeah,
so my question is to all the students also. You can also tell me whether this project is feasible or not.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any other idea?
Anybody? You can also give me some suggestion about it, how to improve. Hello? 151 people are here. Please talk to me. And for your information, if you can go to your chat, I've shared my feedback link. Please fill the feedback link and send to me. That will really helping for me. That is actually the feedback link is created in Google form. So when you go to that feedback link and fill up and send to us, that will really help us. Lovely ma'am, please take over the session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We are
Yeah, ma'am.
very
Thank you so much.
enlightened with your knowledge and presence. This session is very informative. Your practical knowledge is remarkable. We are indeed
Thank you.
honored to have you here with us, sir. We have more than 100 participants from different departments. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest and all participants, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of our department and staff coordinators. I thank all the management people, and I would like to extend my thanks to our esteemed Secretary Sir, Dr. P. Chinnadurai, MA PhD, Director Mrs. C. Vijayageshwari, Mrs. C. Sakti Kumar, ME, Mrs. Saranya Sri Sakti Kumar, BA, MBA, our Principal Ma'am, Dr. T. Jayanti, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. I must thank you, Dr.S.Premanand, National Career Service, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, and a big thank to you, sir, for your
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm a big fan for you. I am actually a big fan of you because students is my part and I always work for the students. So even though if it's the government of India also, I work for students and students, it's your time and you have to turn it up when you become so proud only when your teachers say your name. So make them proud because teachers are selfless service. They don't think about their benefits. They'll think about the student benefits. Like how I'm thinking of forward the Yoshvi ma'am or Suma ma'am is the principal or the management of the college. Always thinking that your future is more important. It is your time that you have to turn it everything in a green signal and create that India to move forward. Thank you so much, Yoshvi ma'am, to have a wonderful speech and you have given a great opportunity for me to handle this kind of session. In future, if you can talk about soft skills or industry 4.0, anything, I will be here for you. And thank you, Suma ma'am. So you have been keep on touching with me and connecting everything. And thank you so much for
Thank you,
connecting.
sir.
Thank you very much. And on behalf of you, I just wanted to thank on behalf of ministry and thank Dr. Paul and Dr. Jayanti ma'am. I know her personally well. So Jayanti ma'am, thank you very much. Without you, this would not be happen. And thank you Shakti sir because the person is very humble, very nice person, and we are very really lucky to be a part of this session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all of the students who be part of it. And I've already shared my feedback. Kindly fill up that feedback. That will really evaluate my for the next session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Students, you can leave the meeting. We will end up this webinar. Thank you so much for your active participation. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.